Hi guys, so I will teach you how to get Windows 11 on your Windows 10 PC. It's a free upgrade for now, so by the time this video is released, it should be still working. So what you're gonna do is open up your browser. First, you need to check your Windows 11 compatibility. What you can do is you can go Google for Windows 11 health check. Okay, it should be a requirement check or something. So you can go to their website, upgrade to new Windows 11 website, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you should see check for compatibility. What you need to do is download the PC health check and then run the software. It should install. Once installed, run the software and you should see this. So introducing Windows 11, so you can do a check to see whether your PC meets the Windows 11 requirement. So if it doesn't, you should upgrade your BIOS first. So you can click on this video here, okay, up here, and then you should be able to upgrade your BIOS. Once done, you can come back to this video and continue watching. So this PC meets the Windows 11 requirement. So what you need to do is, from all the results, your PC should support secure boot and TPM, okay, TPM 2.0. Once upgraded your BIOS, it should be enabled by default. So after that, I'll close this and check Windows up there, everything is okay. And what's next is go back to Google and then grab the Windows 11 Update Assistant. So you need to download the Windows 11 and get the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click download now, grab it, press yes, and then this will come up. So what you do is gonna just accept and install and wait for it to complete. Once complete, it will ask you to restart the PC. Once you restart, you should be able to see it loading, and then you'll get into Windows 11 right away. However, if you have a certain requirement during your PC, your health check, okay, here, okay, if your results doesn't support a secure boot or TPM, you can continue watching this video. I will teach you how to enable this secure boot and TPM on older devices, older motherboards that doesn't have new BIOS that supports the Windows 11 requirement. So some may still have what we call a firmware TPM. Once enabled and secure boot is enabled, you should be able to run Windows 11. And this is for installation upgrade. For a full reformat, new installation, that would be a separate video. So this one is for PC that are currently running Windows 10 and wants to upgrade to Windows 11. So once you do your PC health check, if everything is okay, meets the requirement, you can just continue installation. If not, you can continue watching this video for how to enable secure boot and TPM. So now that we are in our BIOS, we should go to our advanced mode. Okay, if you are on a very simple screen, go to the advanced mode. Usually the TPM and your secure boot should be under security or boot section. So on the SROC, it's at security. So what I'll do, I'll enable my secure boot first. Okay, let's say it's disabled, and this one is set on custom or something else. You just put into standard mode and enable your secure boot. So after that, you can enable your TPM. So Intel Platform Trust Technology or on AMD, it should be firmware TPM, something like that. So you must enable the TPM and your secure boot, and then you can go to exit tab, save and exit. Then you should be loaded back into your Windows. After that, do the Microsoft Windows 11 health check again, see whether it's compatible or not. If yes, you can continue to install the Windows 11. So we are now back in our Windows, and I open up my PC health check again, and I can check Windows 11, and it's now ready for Windows 11. As I can see the result, the PC now supports secure boot and TPM is enabled. So once you do this, you can continue to use the Windows 11 Upgrade Assistant to get your Windows 11 ready.